The ASAP hybrid helicopter is a new aircraft that combines traditional helicopter features with modern hybrid technology. It uses both electric power and regular fuel, making it more efficient, eco-friendly, and able to fly longer distances. Designed for civilian and military purposes, it has advanced engines that make it quieter and less polluting than normal helicopters. It can take off and land vertically, making it perfect for city travel, rescue missions, and exploration. This hybrid design is an important step toward greener aviation while still offering the speed, flexibility, and performance people expect from today's helicopters. The Black Hawk helicopter is getting major upgrades to match today's military needs. It now has a T91 engine that gives 50% more power and better fuel use, so it can fly longer, carry more weight, and handle extreme conditions. Collins Aerospace is adding a modular design, making it easier to upgrade avionics, sensors, and mission systems. New features include predictive maintenance, autonomous flight support, and drone launch capability. These changes make the Black Hawk more advanced and powerful in battle. The P7X Explorer by Polydrops, based in Los Angeles, is an all-electric trailer redefining travel for adventurers. With a futuristic design inspired by the Tesla Cybertruck, this handmade trailer combines style and functionality. It comes equipped with a full kitchen, including a fridge, freezer, and burner stove, perfect for road trips. The exterior features glowing doors, marine-grade hinges, and 15-inch aluminum wheels with tough all-terrain tires. Inside, the LED-lit space comfortably fits 2 adults and a pet on a hybrid full-size mattress. For comfort, it includes R14 insulation, an air conditioner, a heater, and Bluetooth speakers. Upgrades like solar panels and batteries are available for off-grid living. Starting at $34,999, it's available for pre-order with a $1,000 deposit, shipping next summer. The Brooder EXP8, designed in Australia, is a high-end off-road expedition trailer for 2 to 5 people. It offers true off-grid capabilities with a 20 kilowatt-hour battery, 680-watt solar panels, and a 350-liter water tank. Its advanced suspension ensures smooth rides on tough terrain, while the 2-door design adds convenience. Priced at $47,000, it blends durability, comfort, and style for adventurous travelers. The EHang 184 is a small flying vehicle made by a Chinese company called EHang. It was introduced in 2016 and is built to carry one person without needing a pilot. You just use a smartphone. You just use a smartphone app to pick where you want to go, and it flies there by itself. It has 8 electric propellers and can carry a person weighing up to 100 kilograms. The drone can fly for about 23 minutes and travel at speeds up to 100 kilometers per hour. It was one of the first self-flying passenger drones made to change how people travel in the future. The Goodyear Eagle 360 Urban is a futuristic spherical tire concept shown at the Geneva Motor Show. It connects to cars using magnetic levitation, letting vehicles move in any direction, even sideways. This version includes artificial intelligence and a smyonic skin with sensors that monitor road conditions. The tire can change its tread using tiny actuators under the surface. In wet conditions, the tread forms dimples for better grip, while on dry roads, it becomes smooth for efficiency. This design aims to improve safety, performance, and adaptability on different road surfaces, showing how future tires could be smarter and more flexible. The AI Trail Quattro by Audi is a modern, electric off-road car made for adventure enthusiasts who want to explore tough terrains in an eco-friendly way. It combines advanced technology with sustainability, offering a driving range of up to 400 miles on regular roads and 155 miles off-road. Its design includes wide panoramic glass, giving passengers a great outdoor view. One unique feature is its drone lighting system, which replaces standard headlights. While the price hasn't been revealed, the cutting-edge technology suggests it will be on the higher side. Audi has tackled issues like battery life and off-road performance by adding adaptive features and tough materials. As these technologies evolve, the AI Trail Quattro aims to deliver a fun, eco-friendly off-road experience, mixing style, comfort, and sustainability for outdoor adventurers. The XEV Yo-Yo M23 is a compact electric car designed to change the way we travel in cities. With its sleek design and advanced technology, it's perfect for urban living. This car blends style, eco-friendliness, and smart features into a single, attractive package. Its body is crafted using 3D printing, making it both lightweight and durable, which helps it use energy more efficiently. The Yo-Yo Me23 also has a swappable battery system, allowing you to quickly replace the battery rather than waiting for a lengthy charge. Inside, you'll find a modern and spacious cabin featuring a digital dashboard, smartphone connectivity, and enhanced safety features. The car is affordably priced, making it an excellent option for those looking to experience electric vehicles without compromising on style, comfort, or technology. In summary, the XEV Yo-Yo Mi23 is an ideal choice for eco-conscious city dwellers seeking a practical, efficient, and sustainable vehicle for their daily commute. The Black Ops 4x4 CJ7 is a rugged off-road vehicle built to tackle challenging terrains while delivering an exciting driving experience. Built on the classic Jeep CJ7 platform, it features a powerful V8 engine, heavy-duty suspension, and large tires, making it ideal for serious off-road enthusiasts. Starting at $50,000, the Black Ops CJ7 offers full customization, allowing buyers to upgrade with winches, lighting systems, and comfort features. Recent improvements have increased its durability with a reinforced chassis and better off-road performance to handle even the toughest conditions. Its 4x4 system ensures outstanding traction, and the vehicle combines strength with style. Whether you're navigating mountain trails or muddy paths, the Black Ops CJ7 promises a thrilling ride that can conquer any challenge. BMW Motorrad's Vision Next 100 provides a glimpse into the future of motorcycles, imagining their design 100 years from now. While it's not a direct prediction, the concept showcases a bold vision for the next generations of bikes. The Vision Next 100 features composite elastic frames that replace traditional suspension and steering forks, alongside self-balancing gyroscopes and augmented reality visors. With AI-powered safety systems, it suggests that helmets may no longer be necessary. More of a daydream than a definitive plan, this concept explores how transportation could evolve in the distant future. The Redroid Kanguro is a smart, futuristic robot from Foro that's more than a personal assistant. It's also a stylish ride. Combining artificial intelligence with innovative mobility, this advanced creation changes how we interact with technology in daily life. As a robotic companion, the Kanguro can follow you around while carrying your belongings. At your command, it transforms into a rideable vehicle, reaching speeds of up to 10 kilometers per hour. This hands-free, sci-fi-like experience blends practicality with cutting-edge design. Focused on user convenience and interaction, the Kanguro's sleek and functional design ensures ease of use. While detailed specifications and pricing are yet to be revealed, the Redroid Kanguro represents a leap forward in personal robotics, merging AI, convenience, and transportation into one groundbreaking device. The Renault Filante is a futuristic electric concept car built to break records in energy efficiency and driving range. It's a sleek, single-seater vehicle that looks like something out of a sci-fi movie. Inspired by Renault's 1956 Étoile Filante, it's low to the ground at just 1.19 meters tall and weighs less than 1,000 kilograms. It uses the same 87 kilowatt-hour battery as the Renault Scenic E-Tech, but is fine-tuned for maximum efficiency. The Agibot X2, also known as Link XEX2, is a small humanoid robot made by a Chinese startup called Agibot. It was launched in early 2025. This robot is about 1.3 meters tall and weighs nearly 34 kilograms. It can move like a human thanks to its 28 flexible joints, allowing it to walk, gesture, and act in a natural way. One of the most exciting things about the Agibot X2 is its powerful artificial intelligence. It uses Agibot's Go 1 model, which helps it learn new tasks on its own without needing special programming. It can also understand how people feel by looking at their faces and listening to how they talk. This robot is made to be helpful in everyday life. It can support elderly people by reminding them to take medicine or helping them move around. In schools, it could assist teachers. In stores and hotels, it could guide customers or provide service. At home, it might clean or keep watch for safety.